Welcome to Ridgeview Elementary, located here in the beautiful West Vancouver School District, home of the Dragons. My name is Warren Zerby. I'm the proud principal of Ridgeview Elementary. We are a diversely rich, community-based school that welcomes students from neighboring communities as well as international students. Our school has a strong tradition of academic success with a particular emphasis on numeracy and literacy, delivered from an experienced and enthusiastic team of educators. We take pride of our athletic programs and sports teams and have a passion for the arts and set high expectations for our students to be contributing good citizens in our community. We recently adopted a school-wide foundational approach to learning and teaching called Learn Like a Dragon, which is an inquiry-based and formative assessment framework to help students guide their understanding and to build their confidence to take ownership of their own learning. We are an inclusive learning community at Ridgeview that builds on students' individual strengths to help them become independent and successful in their own way. We celebrate our cultural diversity throughout the year and believe in a positive relationship when working with parents and the home for their child's overall learning experience. Lastly, we have an amazing RPAC, an active group of parent volunteers who support the school's goals, the well-being of our students, as well as supporting the school community's needs as a whole. Check out our webpage, Twitter handle, and Instagram account for more information about Ridgeview Elementary.